Up for sale today, I got a nice 64 Corvette Coupe finished in Ermine white with red interior. Factory silver with red interior car. Now finished in white. A number matching 327 365 horsepower engine and transmission, 4-speed transmission. Power brakes, no power steering. It's a nice overall, number matching 365 horsepower coupe. It does have some flaws. I'll show it as I go. I'm gonna try and point them out as I walk around. The little seam. I don't even know if you can see that little seam right there. The interior is so pretty. Like, I went through it and replaced a lot of the little things to, I guess, make it one whole nice thing. Nice red interior, brand new carpet. All the lights work, all the gauges work, the radio works. It shifts nice. The only thing that doesn't work is the clock. Good thing you got a watch on your phone or on your wrist. No cracks in the dash pad. Seat belts. There's another little right there, and a little tiny one right there. It has a very clean exhaust sound. Not too loud, not too beefy. A very nice factory sound for the engine and the power that it's putting out. The chrome is, I would say the chrome's nice. It looks very nice. I would say it's a little older of a build. But like I said, it's nice. It has 66,000 miles on it. Whether that's original miles or rollover miles, I'm not sure. I love white. A white Corvette Coupe is gorgeous. As I said, it is number matching, 365 horsepower. It'll be for sale soon. NextGenClassicCars.com or on eBay, which you can find from my website. Nice little seam right there. You know how the paint is on these Corvettes. They tend to crack with age. But, you know, I had a red one that had more cracking than this one. A little crack there. Other than that, though, the car is very nice. It'll be for sale reasonably and priced right. So if you enjoyed the video, you know, leave a like, subscribe for more. I got a lot of cars that I'm going to be posting, and I'm going to show you the driving video now. So there you go. Nice factory correct engine bay. I'm matching 327, 365 horsepower. Waiting for my
We just got in a 64 coupe. The number matching 365 horse, which is a very collectible and desirable engine in 1964. It's finished in Ermine white with its factory original red interior. The car has power brakes and everything is working except for the clock. All the gauges and radio. It's got a nice clean undercarriage and frame. There's been some recent service work to the suspension, some new parts just to replace some worn out front end parts and springs. The car runs and drives very good. The body looks to be all original except for one fender had some work done. The other three corners have the bonding strips in place. Paint is very nice. A couple minor flaws, though nothing to take away from the beauty of the car. A few minor chips. Am I right, Andrew, on that?
Well, front end.
Yeah. The 365 horse, this has so much more power than the 250 and the 300. Shifts great, stops and steers nice. Handles real nice. The car, the way it sits, doesn't really need anything. Chrome, glass, everything is real nice. It's going to be priced below market.
Thank you.